Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Monday, August 25th, 2025. Ethereum ranks number 1 on Kaiko's blockchain rankings. The Liquid Collective releases the Productive Treasury Report. Chainlink partners with SBI Group, and Bitmine buys an additional 190,000 Ether. All this and more starts right now. Kaiko released its blockchain ecosystem ranking report for Q2 2025, ranking Ethereum as the top blockchain ecosystem. Ethereum excelled across governance, integrations, liquidity, operational efficiency, and security, supported by $7 billion in RWA TVL, broad DeFi integrations, and strong institutional adoption. The price of ETH has also outperformed Bitcoin since early July. The report also ranked Arbitrum 1 in second place, highlighting its outstanding operational efficiency and robust integrations. Eigenlayer and the Liquid Collective have released the Productive Treasury Report, a guide for digital asset treasury companies to strategically make their reserves productive. The report notes that traditional treasury allocations, such as cash and money market funds, are struggling to preserve purchasing power amid persistent inflation. The report reinforces ETH staking as the internet bond, a protocol-native, sustainable yield independent of traditional credit markets. Liquid staking tokens also provide treasuries with institutional-grade access to staking, offering liquidity, compliance, and reduced risk. The report positions ETH as a future-ready reserve asset. Chainlink partnered with SBI Group, one of Japan's largest financial conglomerates with over $200 billion in assets, to accelerate adoption of tokenized digital assets. SBI Group will leverage Chainlink's CCIP for cross-chain tokenized real-world assets, Chainlink Smart Data to improve liquidity and efficiency for tokenized funds, and Chainlink Proof of Reserve to ensure transparency for regulated stablecoins. According to an SBI Digital Asset Holdings survey, over 76% of financial institutions plan to invest in tokenized securities. And lastly, Bitmine Immersion Technologies Inc. purchased an additional 190,500 ETH, bringing its treasury to 1.71 million ETH, worth over $7.5 billion. With its ambitious goal of owning 5% of the ETH supply, Bitmine is on track to overtake MicroStrategy as the world's largest digital asset treasury. BMNR stock is also among the top 20 most liquid U.S. stocks, averaging $2.8 billion in daily trading volume. In other news, GiveETH announces a $20,000 quadratic funding round for causes. ETH Strategy partners with Renzo for its ETH Treasury strategy, and Ronin introduces a Builder Revenue Share program. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.